Hey guys, what's up? I'm back in Bombay. It's been 2 days since I moved into my new apartment. This is the new space, my bedroom. Okay, let me give you a quick room tour. That's the living room. That's Vags figuring out Alexa. That's his setup. And yeah, feels good to be back. And now that I'm in Bombay, you can expect a lot of content happening. In fact, today I'm shooting with Varun for a brand video. I'll take you along with me and show you how it's done. Okay, so it's 2:40 now. We're supposed to leave by 3 so that we reach in time and not lose light because the whole shoot is outdoors. And we're shooting in South Bombay near Colaba. So it's gonna take us time to reach there because we're ready to leave. So we are here, this is Arbab, and we are waiting for Varun to come so that we can leave. It's 4 PM already. I hope we don't lose light. Okay, so we are here at Starbucks and we are setting up the camera gear and Varun is getting ready for the shoot. All ready.
वो इसके लेसेस अलग है चलेगा
Got 2 more outfits to do and only an hour left. Let's hope we wrap it up.
मैं उठ के सीधा चला जाऊँ
It's almost 7 now and we are very dicey with the third outfit. Okay, let's hope we pull this off. Okay, so we have wrapped with the final outfit and that's Varun. Varun was a breeze to work with. Yeah. Stay tuned for the final video. I'll keep you updated on my Instagram. Impromptu shopping at Zara. On our way back home now. So it's Tuesday today. We were a little late coming from the shoot yesterday, so I couldn't vlog that bit. But now I'm gonna sit on the edit and let's see how it turns out to be. It's Wednesday today and I've sent the video for approval, so I'm waiting on that. Also, we are going to Ikea today to get some stuff for the house, so that's what's happening. That's Adi making chicken sandwiches for us before we leave. Looking good. It's here. Let's try this. Surprisingly good. Cabs here, we are leaving now. Here. Also, thanks for the sandwiches, Adi. And we are here. The weather is so good today. Hedge. Sounds like a plan, bro.
क्या sounds like that?
ट्रॉली वाला इसका
देखिए
चलो
कर सकते, लिटरली कर सकते।
चलो चलो, कांच का मत ले, फूट जाएगा।
उसको कांच का ही चाहिए था। मेरे पास वोडका का बोतल भी कांच का ही।
तो ठीक है ना, उसमें पानी पीता है ना, तो चल।
ठीक है।
ओ वाओ, रेट्रो, व्हाट्स दैट? चाय का है? ओ शॉर्ट्स। जितना देखोगे ना खर्चा बढ़ने वाला है। चलो गाड़ी आगे ले लेते हैं। ओ बेड शीट्स, बैग्स गोइंग ऑल मिनिमल। हाँ
हो गया।
तोड़ दिया तोड़ दिया तोड़ दिया। Okay, just IKEA things. This goes.
ये ही होगा।
Wow. चलो, let's see if you can dunk this into the
नहीं इतना नहीं।
3. इधर से 2, 1. Yay!
मस्त ढंग की।
Hello. क्या हुआ बैग्स? लैम्प ओहो, लैम्प, व्हाट अ लैम्प। So colorful, bro. Oh, here we have a lot of lamps. Beauty. Can do that again. Damn. Pretty. Good stuff. A hell lot of mirrors. Nice. This reminds me of my ex because it's all fake. Here comes a self-serve area and it is huge.
बस स्टॉप। उधर तो ठोका हम लोग रिटर्न, तो कौन?
Got 2 of those tables. Done
वाइट है,
with,
तुम लोग को इसके ऊपर कुछ रखना।
done with the shopping.
डंडे क्या नाम है, तभी देखा।
More addition to our shopping cart. Quick coffee break. कैसा लगा?
चल तुझे घर समोसा बना के खिला। सबसे बकवास।
Okay, so we have somehow managed to put all the stuff in the car and we've left for our home, which is showing us almost 2 hours to reach. So this is all of the stuff that we have got. That's our desk and this is the side table. Let's assemble it. So finally the desk is all set up. That's the bedside table and it looks super minimal, just the way I like. Also got this super cool photo of the E28 framed. Looks good now. So the room is finally done and my OCD is satisfied now. Also slowly taking off the to-do list, which includes the ending of this vlog. So that was it for this one. I hope you liked it. Even if you didn't, please just stick around cause there's a lot of better stuff coming soon. Also stay tuned for Varun's video that will go live on Instagram. I'll post it on my story somewhere. So follow me there if you haven't already. And yeah, that was it. Please share and subscribe if you like this video. Also comment down what you wanna see next. I'm thinking of doing a day in my life. So that's that. See you later. Bye.